Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss removing territories versus deleting territories permanently. So first we would add our territories. You would go to the territory tool and you would either create those territories or you can load saved territory groups. I'm going to load my saved territory group. Now we see our territories on the map. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to them, and we see each of my big territories, and I've got a much smaller one. Now, if we just want to remove this from the map, but we want to still use it at a later time or on another map, you can simply click the X. This is something that it will just show up right back in your list when you go into load save territory groups again, and I can once again put those Arizona territories on here. Now, if you wanted to delete one of the territories that you've drawn, you can simply click on the three dots to the right of that territory, and you see all of the different options in here will delete this permanently. This isn't just deleting it from this territory group. This is taking this territory and throwing it in the volcano. It will never come back. This is irreversible. So when I proceed, we're going to see that territory disappear, and now we've just got those three. It will not come back to us. Another way that you can manage your territory groups is right here in the boundary and territory tool, and you can actually get to it no matter which tool you click on. It's going to be right here. This is going to give you a list of all the territories you've ever drawn. Any that you want to remove permanently, you can click on the garbage can here. And as you see, you can see what is listed, you can edit the name, and you can delete permanently. It's going to tell you that this is being deleted permanently and it's currently being used on 0 maps. If it were being used on 0 maps, when you delete it, it's going to delete it from this map and the maps it's on, the other maps it's on. So I can proceed, and now we see one of my 3 Canada territories is gone. And that's really the difference between removing territories, remember that's that red X, and deleting permanently. Deleting those territories using that garbage can will delete it permanently. It throws it in the volcano. We can't get it back for you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.